Welcome to Recreation SolidWorks CADCam Practice 41. Today we are going to create groove pin. Here's the detail drawing of the groove pin. So today I'm going to teach you the easiest way to create a straight or cylindrical object like this within a single sketch. So when we look at, we have the cylinder pin with they have cut a circular over here and then they use the slot cut over here. So you just, first of all, we are going to forget about the slot. We are going to create this area and then we are going to use the Revolve feature to create the whole pin within one sketch, and then finally we are going to use the reference plane to create a plane over this, and then going to cut the slot, and then finally we are going to give the chamfer over here. So let's begin. Okay, for this I'm going to use the right plane, create a new sketch, and then create a mid plane first, like this, and then make sure the mid plane is connected to the center, make it for construction and set it as an infinite line. Okay, once you've done this, just using the line command, you create a rectangle like this, and complete it, and then give dimension so we can see from the detail drawing the diameter is 30, so here will be 15, and then the length of this one is 100. Alright, so and I'm going to make sure this circle center point placed at the origin. So once it's placed at the origin, we know it's 15, so the length from this edge to the origin is 20, so we are going to use plus 15 plus 5, it's become 20. So this line to here, which is 20. Okay. Once you create it like this, this is fully defined. Just create a center line from the origin to the top, like this, and then draw a circle at here. Give dimension, then indenter. Using the trim entities, you just trim this and this. Alright, so you can see that it's not fine. And make sure this point and this line, this point and this center point which is horizontal, so your sketch will be fully defined. Once you do like this, and then you go to here, sketch chamfer, the distance is 1, set distance to 1, set distance to distance and make sure it's equal distance, and click on here, and then here as well. So, and exit sketch. Now using the feature Revolve, and then select the axis of revolution at the center point. So within 1 second, you almost complete the overall design of the groove pin. So we have the chamfer, we have the circular cut at the pin. So now we are just going to add a reference plane over here and cut the slot through it. So I'm going to make it in isometric view. I'm going to select the front plane as to create a reference plane. Click on reference geometry, reference plane, and make sure the distance is 15. Okay, we already created a reference plane. Create a new sketch on this plane, and first of all I'm going to create a center line from here to here, and then just create a straight slot on this center line like this, and then I'm going to give the dimension for this. The distance from here to here 6, the distance from this one to this one is 24, and the distance from the center of this circle and here, which is 23. So our sketch is fully defined. Exit sketch, and then you go to the cut, extrude cut feature, use the blind command. We are going to cut until 3.5. Alright, so we complete our model of groove pin. The reason I asked to create the reference plane from the front plane is 15, so we know that the diameter of this pin is 30, the larger diameter, so it need to be from the front plane, it need to be 15 in the distance, so thus we can cut it on the rightly on the surface. Okay, I add this plane, and now you can see that within 2 steps we complete the groove pin easily. You can do the chamfer feature after you create extrude cut. You're just using the chamfer feature over here without you create it at the sketch. You also can create after you complete all the other features. So this is one of the easiest way to create the groove pin with 2 simple methods. So that's all for this video. Don't forget to like and share this video and subscribe to my channel. Stay tuned for more video. Thank you.